Welcome back. The true power of Python's match case is not just replacing simple if-elif statements, but its ability to perform structural pattern matching, especially when dealing with collections like lists and tuples. In this lecture, we will learn how to deconstruct or extract data directly from these structures. 1. Matching fixed-length tuples. The match case statement can match both the length and the content of a tuple. In this coordinate example, we check specific fixed values like 0 and use variable names like x and y to capture the corresponding values if the structure matches. This provides an elegant way to handle structured data. 2. Matching lists with wildcards. Match case works similarly with lists. Here, we match based on the length and the type of the elements inside. Case 2 matches any list of 3 elements where the first element is CMD, capturing the second and third elements into local variables for processing. This is a common pattern for processing command lists or data logs. 3. The splat operator asterisk for subsequences. For collections with variable length, we use the splat operator or asterisk similar to argument unpacking in Python functions. It captures all remaining elements into a list named details. This allows you to match the beginning and end of a sequence while collecting all the intermediate elements, making it ideal for parsing complex logs or headers. To summarize, structural pattern matching is a fundamental benefit of match case over traditional if-elif. Our next lecture 32.05, Using Constants. See you there.